If you are new to using our platform or recently had the tutorial sidebar enabled, then this video should provide you with some insight. We use a walkthrough app called WalkMe, which is a series of guided tutorials that takes users step by step through a set of actions to achieve a specific outcome without having to leave the iFormBuilder admin console. I'm going to walk through a more advanced walkthrough tutorial that will show you how to pass data from parent to subform. While I go through this, it is important to note that you should read each step carefully. We may ask you to hover, click, type, etc. First, click on the sidebar called Tutorials and type in Pass. You can see that there are two options when searching Pass. However, we will be going through the one for passing data from parent to subform. We start you off with a short description of the walkthrough. Click Next and we'll guide you through the platform. After following the instructions to hover over forms and clicking on Form Builder, you are now in the Form Builder list page. Some of these more advanced walkthroughs, we will already assume that you have forms created and are looking to update these with smart control features. Like the description says, we are starting off by updating the parent form. After searching and finding my parent form that was already created, we are going to add in a few elements to help you get started. The text element being added is going to be the field that is passing the data to the subform. Once you type in your label and data column name, you will see that we populated the dynamic value for you. Please read the description carefully, as you can see that we explain why this step is necessary and ask that you update the dynamic value with your actual parent form name. The second part of the dynamic value we were able to set up for you. If you click Next, we show you where to get the parent form name, which you can copy and paste from. The next step is to add your subform element. You have the option to go forward with the defaulted form, link to the element, or select from the subform list. I had one already created, so I went ahead and found my subform name. Please make note of the subform you choose, since we will be updating it after. Click Next and make sure to save your work. You are also welcome to move around your elements before saving to format the fields to your liking. Now we're going to go back to the Forms list page to update the subform. Search for the form that you just assigned to the subform element. The next few steps are going to be similar to what was done in the parent. Add your text element, update the label and name field, and you'll see that we populated the dynamic value for you again. Like the description says, update the first part of the function to your actual parent form name. You are now all set with this walkthrough. Always make sure to save your work as you make changes and test on your device before collecting live data. Also, we would greatly appreciate any feedback from the surveys at the end of each completed walkthrough so that we can provide you with a better experience each time. More of these types of tutorials will be found in the tutorial sidebar, so please make sure to try out the others. Although some of these walkthroughs may not be specific to your form, they are meant to show you how to get to your end goal. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to the customer support team. Thanks so much for watching.